Snarling noises are never good. Okay, since I don't want to use my Estus things, I'm just going to heal by going here. Hey, mate. So I don't know how to hurt these boar things. That's my main problem right now. I feel like I need to drop in from above and just destroy its armor. Okay. Alluring skull. Is there a lever up here somewhere? It's probably somewhere down below, let's be fair. So, how do I hit this guy? I want to jump in from above like I did with that boss, but I can't. Maybe I can make a run down there? Whoa! Oh, that was fucking scary. Whoa! That's fucking scary, dude. Oh my god. The ball is what's scary, the other things just hurt me. Oh. Hey, man. Mystery key. What's this mystery key do? I wonder. It's a mystery. Quite literally. Okay. Is this that type of game where I can do this? Really doesn't feel like it. I guess so. Large soul of the lost undead. A large one. I feel pretty satisfied that I was able to get back there by running. I'm really hoping we go... Oh. Oh no. I really hope we go back. And destroy that guy. Because... Well, maybe it's gonna be now. Yeah, it's totally gonna be now. Oh, hi there. Oh! Oh, okay. Interesting. This guy's cool. I'm back, mate. Yep, I get it. Don't heal on me. There we go. Night shield. Wait, this is optional? I feel like it's optional. I wonder how cool this shield is then. Looks cool. Say that much. Oh yeah, definitely. It's a little bit heavier, which is cool. I don't mind that. Whoops. Wish you could see. But due to my stupid controls, I don't know how to look at the individual stuff. I believe that black part was oh, there's a part up here, so it was optional. Is weight though. Butter the Knight's brand. We protect our king. We protect ourselves. King before ourselves, obviously. And we will kill anyone who mocks. Whoa, it's you again. Who's in our way? I don't care if it's a traitor who was a friend. I don't care if it's a big busted guy with a cool-ass sword. You die by my sword. Mark that as your final warning. Come back again and you will probably be stronger and I'll probably die against you. I wonder if that path would have been blocked off before, because the fact that that guy showed up again, but this time weaker, makes me interested. Oh, that's how I open it. Oh, hi. Oops. I'm a good swordsman, guys. Don't worry. Yep, okay, that's my bad. Boom. Okay, because I'm a little worried about dying, I am going to put this away and put that there. It was a greatly restores my HP, and I need that. basement key. Interesting. I think I just unleashed Doom. Is that better than my current shield? It isn't. That's fine. I only just got the shield and I want to keep it for a while. Okay, so I can't tell which way is the story way. That guy looks like a big boss guy there. That path felt like it was going to fall from under me. But it didn't. So I'm impressed. There we go. Hey, man. What's in there? This place doesn't look nice either. I actually think that's the same temple, but it's just a side entrance. Could be wrong though. I'm hoping this place leads somewhere nicer. Like a bonfire. Bonfires are nice. It's taken me a little while to walk up here. Hammering. A merchant. There's a bonfire. I'm feeling very restless right now because I'm not sure where that sound's coming from. For all I know, it could be a new enemy. Nope, it's a merchant, maybe for better weapons? Hey, mate.
Well,
yeah?
You must be a new arrival. I'm Andre of Astora. If you require smithing, then speak to
Modify
me.
equipment. Ooh. Special ember required for blacksmiths to ascend weapons. Or weapon. Oh, I got a new weapon. I didn't realize that. Hang on, let me just have a look at my weapons. Thank you.
I'll be seeing you there.
Yeah, you too.
Be careful out there.
Do you guys have to eat? Do we have to eat here? Honestly, I'm already having my theories about what this game is like. The fact that the guy we met earlier about the sun, praise the sun guy, he talked about the world being unknown and everything, and how mostly are hollows. It makes me feel like the people from another world are being transported here to fight. Like it's a Colosseum thing or something like that. And if it's that, that's pretty cool. I like that kind of idea in a story. But I'm going to stick to that as my theory. I'm not really going to try to center down what the story's like. I just want to play the game and see why everyone loves it so much, or hates it, whichever one you want to say. But yeah. Anyway, I might do the Claymore. Claymore does a really nice amount of damage, even though it's slow. Hey, mate. Talk.
Well, hello.
Yeah, just a little.
You need anything forged?
Reinforced weapon. How much is this costing me? Oh, it's only a few souls. Not too much. Oh, but it's costing Titanite shards. Okay. And then for moments... Oh, wait. Reinforcing. What does reinforce mean? Does that mean, like, less breaking? I don't know. I can already do that in my Bonfire, what are you talking about? Purchase item. Oh, I can buy these. Cool. Tool for reinforcing weapons at bonfire. Tool for reinforcing armor at bonfire. You don't sell any armor, which is okay, I guess. Pike. These are just punching. I'm literally punching the enemy. Wow, 10. Jeez. I want to buy this. I won't.
Don't get yourself killed.
Neither of us
want to see you go home.
Okay. It seems that the people here always have imaginary friends. The merchants do, at least. The other guy had a guy named Quilio, a person named Quilio, maybe a girl, or I don't know. That's cool. I might use this for a little while. What's over here? There's a little guy. Hey mate, you okay? Okay. I'm off now. Time to go versus the boss guy, I think. Ow. Please don't do that to me. I'm literally punching them. It's funny. Yep. I prefer my battle axe. But I'm gonna see what the claymore's like. Astora's straight sword. I mean, how else would a sword be? Curved? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna go in the side entrance. Hey boys, I sort of broke in. I wanted to make myself at home. Oop! Sorry, wrong entrance. Hey. Oh my god. So many. Oh dear, this was a bad mistake. Yep. I'm gonna go in the front entrance instead. That guy's menacing. Black armor. Oh my god, you look sexy. Okay. Yep, it's all down to me and him now. Oh, what? Hi. How do I get to you? I'm gonna take a quick run around the room. Up, there we go, stairway. Whoop. Did the big guy follow me? Yeah, he did. Well, okay. I think I'm gonna stick to the battle axe, just for this battle at least. Because I need something fast. I think it did increase the damage. Let me try that again.
Well, hello again. Use it, need it.
Oh, I don't have any souls, right?
I'll
What's
be
down
seeing
here?
you then.
Whoa! Huh. Of course. Another monster. Why wouldn't there be? How the fuck? That was funny. I feel like you need to roll right as he attacks, just so you go under it, and then you hit him or something. Or maybe I just need to hit him with crossbows. That could be another one. Or I can just, you know, make a run for it. Who the fuck cares, right? What is down here? Tree monster, go away. Dark root garden. It wasn't going where I was hoping it would. What? Okay. He hugged me to death. That's funny. I think I'd have a little more time with the guard thing. Didn't involve running all the way back, god damn. Okay, so I might be able to make a run for the stairs from here. Where's this? Oh, what? Where is this taking me? Here? No, what? Why didn't you... Firelink Shrine. Is there a bonfire here? Hi.
Hello there. I believe we are not acquainted. I am Petrus of Thoroland. Have you business with us? If not, I'd prefer to keep a distance,
No worries.
if possible.
Is there a bonfire around here? Oh. Oh, we're back here. We're back at the start. Oh, that's beautiful. And also, I think that once I go up the bonfire, I can go up the stairway without the boss noticing me, which means he won't go after me. That'll be nice. Otherwise, I think I'm going to take a break here. It's getting late. So, yeah, we'll do that later.